Hey everyone, in this video I want to show you how to get celebrity voiceover for your videos in TikTok or Instagram. This can be Spongebob or Kanye West.
Hey, welcome to the Simple Dad YouTube channel. Please subscribe to the channel, like this video, thank you.
Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you enjoy these kind of videos and turn on bell notification. If this video helps you out, then please hit that like button and let me know in the comment section down below. So this is a cool website where you can get voiceovers for famous celebrities like Kanye West or Spongebob. So to begin with, open up your browser on your PC or on a mobile device. Now navigate to UBERDUCK.ai. I'll put this on screen. When you first visit this website, you need to register for a Discord account. So go ahead and do that. Once you complete registering for that Discord account, you can now come back to this website and choose your voice from the drop-down list. As you can see, there are many choices within that list. Now enter your text, what you want to be converted from text to speech. Once you're done with that, now press on synthesize. Give it a few seconds and then you should see your audio file appear just below the duck. Play it to sample the voice.
Welcome to the Simple Dad YouTube channel. Please subscribe to the channel and like this video. Thank you.
If you're happy with it, then go ahead and download it. As you can see, there are many voices available, so take your time and go through from all the choices which are available.
Hey, welcome to the Simple Dad YouTube channel. Please subscribe to the channel, like this video, thank you.
And there you go, that is how to get celebrity voiceovers for your TikTok or Instagram videos. My name is Karthik and you're watching The Simple Dad. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.